Hey there, thanks for watching again. I've got a new crochet stitch, and this stitch, it's the iris stitch. And I'm going to show you how you can crochet this one. Okay, I got my yarn and a 4.5mm crochet hook. And you need to make a base chain, and it has to be a multiple of 4. So I'm going to crochet 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'm gonna crochet a small piece, but make sure you have enough chains for your project that is a multiple of 4, and then plus 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we skip 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, and in the 5th chain we do a double crochet, and in that same stitch another double crochet, and then chain 1, and again a double crochet in that same stitch, and another double crochet in that same stitch. So in one stitch you have 2 double crochets, chain 1, and again 2 double crochets. Then skip 1, 2, 3 chains, and in the 4th we do this again. So a double crochet, and in that same stitch another double crochet, chain 1, and then again a double crochet and another double crochet. Skip 1, 2, 3 chains, and in the 4th we do the same thing again. So a double crochet, another double crochet, chain 1, and then again in that same space 2 double crochet. Okay, let's get some more yarn, and then again 1, 2, 3 chains you're skipping, and in the 4th we do this same pattern again. So 2 times a double crochet in one stitch, then chain 1, and then again 2 times a double crochet in that same stitch. And if you did it correctly throughout your whole base chain, then you need to have 2 stitches left, and in that last stitch you'll make 1 double crochet. So this is the base of your iris stitch, and now we are making 3 single crochet or 3 chains. Turn your work, and when we did 2 double crochet and a chain 1 and a 2 double crochet, you're going to do the same thing in between this chain 1 space. So 2 times a double crochet in the chain 1 space of your previous row, chain 1, and then again 2 double crochet in that same space of your previous row. So that looks like this. So every time you get this chain 1 space, and in that you are making your iris stitch. You don't have to do any chains in between, because you're gonna do again the 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet in the chain 1 space of your previous row. I think my yarn is a bit dark to see. It's correctly on the video. It's a bit dull outside, so the lighting isn't that very well. Okay, so again, in the next iris stitch, in a chain 1 space, make 2 double crochet, chain 1, and again 2 double crochet. And I've got 1 iris stitch left, so in this chain 1 space again 1 and 2 double crochet, chain 1, and then 2 double crochet. And now we are here at the chain 4 we have skipped, and in the last, or in the top, you will be making a double crochet, so your edges will be nice and straight. So here's the iris stitch. I'm gonna do it one more time. 1, 2, 3 chains, turn your work, and in the chain 1 space of your previous row you do 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1, and then again 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. And again, in the next chain 1 space, make 2 double crochet, chain 1, and again 2 double crochet. Into the next chain 1 space, make 2 double crochet, chain 1, and again 2 double crochet. And I've got 1 iris stitch left, so in that chain 1 space make 2 double crochet, chain 1, and again 2 double crochet, and then in the top of your chain 3 of your previous row, it's over here, you make 1 double crochet. And this is how you crochet the iris stitch. You can make a scarf with it. I think it's very neat to make it in a cotton. It's well, the cotton is lighter and it's nice for a summer scarf, but you can use this stitch for anything you want. And I hope you liked it, and I will be back with you soon. Bye bye.